Hello friends, welcome back to Mlt Question World. Today we are going to discuss continuation of the previous question paper. You can watch the previous videos from playlist and links are there in description box. You can watch from there also. And if you are watching without subscribing, please do subscribe and turn on notification option. Question number 76. Which of the following bacteria is motile with endoflagella? Option A Vibrio, option B Klebsiella, option C Leptospira, option D Salmonella. Which of the following bacteria have endoflagella? The correct answer is option C, Leptospira. Leptospira is the motile bacteria with endoflagella. Question number 77. Plasmids in bacteria. What is the role of plasmids in a bacteria? Option A, give antibiotic resistance to host bacterium. Option B, they are extra chromosomal genetic material. Option C, transfer information from one cell to another. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Plasmids are extra chromosomal genetic material. They give antibiotic resistance to host bacterium and can transfer information from one cell to another. Question number 78. Autoclave is used for the sterilization of all except option A grease, option B surgical equipment, option C culture media, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A grease. Autoclave is not used for the sterilization of grease. Question number 79. Endoscope is sterilized using option A phenol, option B glutaraldehyde, option C autoclave, option D ethylene oxide. Which of the following is used for sterilizing endoscope? The correct answer is option B glutaraldehyde. Glutaraldehyde is used for the sterilization of endoscope. Question number 80. Concentration of agar in culture broth. Option A 4.5%, option B 1.5%, option C 0%, option D none of these. The correct answer is option C 0%. Concentration of agar in culture broth is 0%. There is no need of agar in a broth. Question number 81. In fluid medium, bacterial growth detected by option A turbidity, option B deposit, option C nature of surface growth, option D all of these. The correct answer is option D all of these. In a fluid medium, bacterial growth can be detected by turbidity, deposit and surface growth. Question number 82. Which of the following is low selective and differential medium? Option A chocolate agar, option B McConkie agar, option C blood agar, option D all of these. Low selective and differential medium. The correct answer is option B McConkie agar. McConkie agar is a differential medium and also it is a low selective medium. Question number 83. Which of the following are used to detect bacterial motility? Option A mannitol motility medium, option B motility indole urea medium, option C hanging drop motility test and option D all of these. The correct answer is option D all of these. Mannitol motility medium, motility indole urea medium and hanging drop test can be used for the detection of bacterial motility. Question number 84. Dash is acts as mordant in Seale-Nielsen staining. Option A acetone, option B 20% sulfuric acid, option C phenol, option D all of these. The correct answer is option C, phenol. Phenol acts as a mordant in Ziehl-Neelsen staining. Question number 85. Antibody that cross placenta give protection to the baby after birth till its own immunity begins to develop. Option A IgG, option B IgM, option C IgE, option D IgA. Simply, the antibody which can cross placenta is option A IgG. The correct answer is option A IgG. Question number 86. The strength of binding of antigen with antibody is known as which of the following? Option A avidity, option B affinity, option C titer, option D all of these. The correct answer is option B affinity. The strength of binding of antigen with antibody is affinity. Question number 87. Vidal test is used for the diagnosis of option A typhoid, option B syphilis, option C rheumatoid arthritis, option D all of these. Vidal test is used for the diagnosis of which of the following condition? The correct answer is option A typhoid. Vidal test is used for the diagnosis of typhoid. Question number 88. The most common cause of urinary tract infection is option A Proteus, option B E. coli, option C Klebsiella, option D Pseudomonas. The correct answer is option B E. coli. The most common cause of UTI is E. coli. Question number 89. A spider web clot formed in CSF specimen after standing. Option A pneumococcal meningitis, option B tuberculous meningitis, option C Neisseria meningitis, option D all of these. The correct answer is option B tuberculous meningitis. Spider web clot formed in CSF specimen after standing is in the condition of tuberculous meningitis. Question number 90. Sputum smear is prepared by option A salivary, option B purulent, option C blood mucopurulent, option D all of these. Which of the following form of sputum is preferred for the preparation of smear? The correct answer is option C blood mucopurulent. That means sputum with blood, mucus and purulent sample. Question number 91. Antimicrobial sensitivity testing most helpful for option A prevent side effect, option B prevent resistance to other pathogenic organism, option C selecting effective antimicrobial drug, option D all of these. Question is that what is the use of antimicrobial sensitivity testing? The correct answer is option C selecting effective antimicrobial drug. Antimicrobial sensitivity testing used for selecting effective antimicrobial drug. Question number 92. Viruses are option A intracellular parasite, option B possess only RNA or DNA, option C unable to reproduce and option D all of these. What is the characteristics of a virus? The correct answer is option D all of these. Viruses are intracellular parasites. They possess either DNA or RNA and it cannot reproduce. Question number 93. A vector is an organism acts as option A carrier, option B transmit parasite from one body to another, option C insects are most common, option D all of these. The correct answer is option D all of these. Vectors are carriers. It can transmit parasite from one body to another and commonly all vectors are insects. So, the correct answer is option D, all of these. Question number 94. True about thick blood smear examination. Option A, 50 times more chance to detect parasite. Option B, species identification possible. Option C, only parasitic body seen. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option A, 50 times more chance to detect parasite. Question number 95. Malaria caused by option A, Plasmodium, option B, microfilaria, option C, trypanosomes, option D, leishmania. Malaria is caused by which of the following microorganism? The correct answer is option A, Plasmodium. Malaria is caused by Plasmodium. Question number 96. Ideal rapid water soluble stain for thick blood smear examination. Option A, hematoxylin. Option B, JSB. Option C, Wright stain. Option D, Leishman stain. The correct answer is option B, JSB. JSB is the ideal rapid water soluble stain for thick blood smear examination. Question number 97. Lab diagnosis of filariasis is done by option A, wet film, option B, stained blood smear, option C, lymph node biopsy, option D, all of these. Filariasis can be diagnosed by which of the following methods? The correct answer is option D, all of these. Filariasis can be diagnosed by wet film, stain smear and lymph node biopsy. Question number 98. Ova of Enterobius is characterized by option A, plano concave, option B, colorless, option C, enclosed in shell, option D, all of these. What is the characteristics of ova of Enterobius vermicularis? The correct answer is option D, all of these. Egg of Enterobius is plano concave, colorless and enclosed in a shell. Question number 99. Fixation plays important role in option A, prevent putrefaction of autolysis, option B, hardening of soft tissue, option C, refractive index change, option D, all of these. What is the role of fixation? The correct answer is option D, all of these. Fixation prevents autolysis and putrefaction, harden the soft tissue and can change refractive index. Question number 100. Which of the following is not a property of formalin as a fixative? Option A, cheap and easy to prepare. Option B, a pleasant smell. Option C, good tissue penetration. Option D, prevent autolysis and putrefaction. The correct answer is option B, a pleasant smell. Formalin has a strong irritating odor, so the correct answer is option B, a pleasant smell. Today we are winding up. You can watch the previous videos from playlist. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, turn on notification. Thank you.